right foot, yep.
During your ride, please remain seated, facing forward, with your hands and arms down and inside the boat. Secure any loose articles you may have, or they may become lost or damaged. Thank you, and enjoy your tour through the ruins of Pompeii.
Y'all seem real attached to those hats.
They gonna lose them.
Think so? Scan platform.
We did it this morning.
Platform clear. Platform clear means you're out of here. Enjoy your tour through the ruins of Pompeii.
Ooh. Now we take a long ride up the hill.
Take that hat off or something, go right where it is until you take it off.
We got him.
Thank you.
Yeah, don't spoil it. I will. I'm gonna be closest to it. Ooh, that feels good. I got football, so I don't care. Love it. I'm glad I got the video on that one because that was funny. It's fall right on us. Ow, my head. Oh yeah. You know you got to on this. I can this time because I don't have to hold the camera.